Welcome to part 2 of Dr. Anna Grace's Dr. Anna Grace Show. Thank you very much. Now, my diagnosis, if you have not watched part 1 yet, which you should, was that it was either too dusty or it just needed to be unplugged for a few minutes. Now, I've had it unplugged for 10, maybe 20 minutes, 30 at the most. And so I have plugged in everything, and so I'm about to turn on my Wii. But first, I have cleaned my Wii disc, Animal Crossing City Folk, with water and a no scratch cloth right here. And so I'm going to get everything started. First, I will turn on my Wii. Somehow it is resetting. I'm getting my Wii remote, pressing A. I'm now going to put in my disc. I have also, if I have not told you yet, blown out all of the dust that I have seen on my Wii. But just to be sure, I'm going to inspect my Wii all over. Oh my. There is a lot of dust in this area. Right here. Here, let me move over here a little bit. There's a lot of dust in this area at the bottom. It will be hard to get out, so I'm going to get my push pin. It's right here. Just stick that in there. It doesn't work. Blowing it out will definitely work, hopefully. I'm slightly spitting on it. Oh, dust, very dusty. Now, you will want to, I think I've turned off, I've reset my Wii. Now you will want to take your Wii out of the little slot and see if right here, if that is dusty, just inspect your Wii for dust. Blow it all over. Now I have hopefully cleaned out all the dust. I want to put it back in the slot. There we go. And as I've told you, I've had my Wii for a long time, so if this doesn't work, I'm going to just find another solution. And if that solution doesn't work, I'm going to have to call Nintendo, which you can do before or after you try all these gimmicks. So, let's get cracking. I'm now entering the Animal Crossing City Folk disc, which I've cleaned, and am now going to the game section, the disc channel, and so, yeah, let's see. Is spinning, still spinning. Unable to read the disc. I might have put it in wrong. I do that a lot. Yeah, I think I put it in wrong. Or maybe I didn't clean it good. I don't know. This is the first time thing. Not practiced yet. It's still spinning. Stay tuned for my disc tryout. I don't know what I did, but I'm going to try again. So stay tuned. Wink. By the way, You can call Nintendo anytime, and don't be a little nervous to do it. Just, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna call Nintendo. I'm not a licensed doctor. I did not go to doctor school. I went to law school. So, here we go. Over and out.